Head.
All right, as you can see, I misjudged this tree. I was going to cut off the back piece, and when I did, went ahead and it sat back and it pinched my saw. So I'm going to show you how to get it out. You know, literally the weight of a tree is on the tip of my chainsaw bar. It's not going anywhere. But I have enough of a space here, right here, to poke a wedge in and get this tree going and wedge the tree off my saw and get my saw back. That's what we're gonna do. Probably get my saw out. Back. There we go. And just wedge the tree the rest of the way over.
Here it comes.
Here we go.